Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl B.Denaé, and if you're new here, welcome. Feel free to join us in my little corner of the internet by subscribing down below and hitting that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload. So for today's vlog, I just came on here to introduce the vlog, all that good stuff that I say every week. Hope you guys enjoy it. Sit back, relax, grab your snacks, and tune in, because we never know what we're gonna get into. I never know what we're gonna get into, so let's get into some things, okay? Anyway, see you guys later. Hey guys, what is up? Today is Sunday, and I'm taking Mike to the airport so that he can, go back home. So yeah, so that's what we're doing now. I also want to stop by Starbucks and get me a matcha latte since I'm up and about. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then come back home, make sure the video has uploaded for today. And then go about the rest of my day. Probably film a video today too, because I need to stop filming so last minute. But yeah, that's the plan for today. And then just chill for the rest of the day because we got work tomorrow. And mentally prepare ourselves for work. Hey guys, alright, so my hair is dirty from edge control, just ignore that. But I got me a hot matcha latte, same order, just not iced. So it has the 4 pumps of brown sugar syrup and just a venti matcha latte. And then I got me some egg bites to hold me over until I get home. So yeah. Hey guys, what is up? So I am back home and yeah, drinking the matcha latte. The video uploaded, no problems. We don't have any copyright or anything. Good to go with that one. That vlog is pretty short. The vlog is really short, so yeah.
Breathe. Look.
But yeah, so
What?
I'm gonna go lay back down. We'll drink this and then go lay back down. So see you guys later. Hey y'all, what is up? Today is Tuesday and I'm getting ready to film and shoot some campaign stuff. Literally filming the video for tomorrow. And it is, and what about it? So I have to film and edit that tonight. But yeah, I'm going to film and shoot some campaign stuff. I have to do stuff for this Stay Naked Quickie concealer that I received to review. I wore it one time already. It's pretty good. The applicator though, I really like this applicator, to be honest. But other than that, the product itself is really good. It gives me the really bright under eye that I have seemed to start to like. But enough rambling. Let's get into doing our makeup. Come a little closer, baby. Come a little closer. And I'll be watching something on my iPad while I do my makeup. Probably a YouTube video. So yeah. Oh, and I'm also gonna be using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation, because I haven't used it in a while. As you guys could probably see by the mark, it's like halfway. I haven't used it in like forever because I've been testing and trying new foundations and stuff. And then for the primer, we're gonna use the Soft Matte Primer, which is what I've been using between this and the e.l.f. primer. So let's watch Aaliyah's Face Collective haul that she posted 35 minutes ago. And then we're gonna go into Sharika B's vlog. Alright. Oh, I'm also eating a chocolate chip cookie. I don't have to explain why I love chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna be a chocolate chip cookie. Anyway.
Don't take it personally, I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like we wasn't more than just some play. I said that you took it well, promise I'll come cry. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you do better than you do. Call me looking for ya, I be looking for ya. Got me looking forward to weekends. Oh baby, it's you, baby, it's you, baby, it's you. We do whatever we want, or whatever we want, however we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want, give whatever I want, give whatever I need. It's about
Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me in a wreck, me in a mess. You are like my side of real. That's that most city, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to give me eye, do no one know I'm Messiah. You like when I make fire, you say the flame can make him fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside. Acid titties, only thing that's stuck with me. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel, you feel me. So why you bother me, why you bother me? Tryna catch you real weak.
So it's not as stark as the black. but it's just not nothing, you know. And then you get some lashes and finish up.
I'm so mean, I make medicine sick.
Alright, y'all, so the face is done. The hair, I just put it back in one. And yeah, so let's go film. Let's go do that and take the pictures, yada yada yada, so I can post them and get this video out for you guys tomorrow. So I'm just gonna put on like a one shoulder gray dress. I've worn it already in a video. I used to try to not repeat what I wear in videos, but I noticed I don't really shop that much anymore, so I run out of things to wear in these videos. So Brianna was the outfit repeater, okay? Anyway, let's go get dressed, put on clothes, set up the room, and film. Alright guys, so I just got done filming the video that I told you guys I was gonna film earlier when I was doing my makeup. So yeah, we just got done filming that, so I'm gonna go now and edit. It is now 6:19 p.m. I edit usually for like an hour or 2 hours depending on how bad I messed up in the video. I don't think I did that bad, did any repeating or stuff like that. So yeah, this should be an easy one to edit, and I have all this stuff right here, so I don't have to like find pictures and stuff like that because I showed you guys everything that I was talking about. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that and proceed with our night, because I'm just gonna go to bed, period. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow, most likely. Hopefully we make it to the gym tomorrow, because we didn't make it today. Today was a struggle. Today I woke up, I had a muscle spasm. My muscle spasm has been kicking my butt lately. But yeah, I don't feel it right now. Maybe when I get up, I don't know, but I don't feel it right now. But hopefully we get this together by tomorrow morning, because ain't nobody got time to be in a set of pain when I want to go to the gym. You know what I mean? And I've been really sleepy. So I wasn't mad when I woke up and my back was hurting, because it's like, I get another hour or two of sleep. But yeah, anyway, I will catch you guys later. Tomorrow. That wink was really hard and forceful. Almost broke my damn eye. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hey you guys, what is up? So today is Saturday. I'm supposed to be closing out the vlog today, but I haven't done anything this week really. I went to work, I filmed, I lay down, watch TV, scroll to social media. I haven't even posted on social media much. I went to gym like twice this week. This week just wasn't a week. It wasn't one of my usual weeks. I wasn't feeling well, so yeah. I'm going now to edit this vlog to see how much footage I actually have. I doubt it's much. Probably 10 minutes at most. But whatever it is, I'm going to give it to you guys so you guys can see. Not every week I be doing stuff. Not every week it's gonna be jam-packed with stuff doing. But let me go now, and I just literally came on here to check up with you guys today because I don't know the last time I spoke on this vlog. I really don't know. So hi, I'm still here, I'm still alive. You guys would see this like clip after clip, but for me this is like days later because I think the last time I spoke was probably Tuesday. But yeah, anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Hopefully I pick up the camera again. Oh, I'm making a grilled cheese and it's gonna burn, so hopefully I pick up the camera again before I'm finished editing this vlog. Let me go check my grilled cheese before I totally burn. Y'all, I definitely burnt my grilled cheese. I had one job. This is like the second time I made grilled cheese and the second time I burnt it, so it's probably a sign. Maybe we need to stop making grilled cheeses. But I like grilled cheese. Anyway, let's see what this vlog has. I got like 6 clips. Wow, it's a mess. Okay, let me enjoy my burnt grilled cheese. I like to put mozzarella cheese in my grilled cheese. With mozzarella and cheddar. The burnt gives a little more flavor, you know? A little more flavor. Anyway. Hot.